We're here at Collegetown Center to take a look at the studio apartment 628. This is an angle style studio apartment on the top floor of the 6th floor building. As we enter the apartment, you can see our kitchen is on the left. You can see their refrigerator, there's that dishwasher and the sink with a sprayer. There's the microwave. You can see some assorted cabinets and drawers. And there's the stove and oven at the end of the kitchen. I think there's some great space in this particular apartment to add your own small shelving area or a small narrow table on the right. Sometimes people will put a shoe rack. So that's a great idea for additional furnishings of your own you can bring in. We're going by the closet on our left. Let's take a look in there. So there's a closet. This particular closet has a mirror that's been placed in there. If a mirror is added to the inside of a closet, we will leave it for the next tenant, but we don't automatically provide those. You can see the main part of the apartment, but let's go take a look at the bathroom before we go in and see the rest of the unit. So the bathroom will always be the same. We've got that standing tub shower, the vanity and the sink, the toilet, and over on our right you can see the medicine cabinet on the wall. That's some more storage space, and we've got some towel racks as well. The furnishings will always be that desk and chair, dresser, tall bookshelf, full-size bed, and a dining table and chair. Let's go on in and see the unit and the view. So you can see here we've got a unique window situation, and that's why we call this an angle style apartment. We are on the south side of the building, and again we're on the 6th floor, which is the top floor. So you can see we're pretty high up. We've got some nice open views outside. You can see another angle directly next door to us. Over to our left, we'll take a look. That's College Avenue over there, so you can see where we are in central Collegetown, and you can see part of the College Ave parking lot, and below that is our upper Dryden parking lot. Those spaces are available for rent, and if you are in one of these apartments on the south side of the building, you choose one of these parking spots, you might have a good view of where your car is parked. So this is a look at studio apartment 628. We're on the top floor of this 6th floor building here at Collegetown Center at 151 Dryden Road here in the heart of Collegetown, and we are located just 1 block from campus.